In a world filled with noise and distractions where the pace of life seems to accelerate with each passing day, finding inner peace may seem impossible. The constant barrage of information, the never-ending to-do lists, and the pressure to always be connected can leave us feeling overwhelmed and stressed. But Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, offers practical tools to navigate chaos with a calm and steady mind. This philosophy, rooted in the teachings of ancient Greek and Roman thinkers, provides timeless wisdom that is incredibly relevant in our modern world. Stoicism began in ancient Greece and was popularized by great minds like Epictetus, Seneca, a Roman philosopher and statesman who wrote extensively about the human condition and how to live a virtuous life, and Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor whose personal writings, known as Meditations, are a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. At its core, Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control and accept what we cannot. This simple yet profound principle can transform the way we approach life's challenges. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius. These words remind us that our true power lies within our own thoughts and attitudes. Here are the foundational principles of Stoicism. These principles can serve as a guide to help you navigate the complexities of life with grace and resilience. 1. Dichotomy of control. Focus only on what you can control, your thoughts, actions, and responses to situations. By letting go of the need to control external events and choices, you free yourself from unnecessary stress and anxiety. 2. Practicing virtues. Live with wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. These virtues are the foundation of a good life and guide us in making ethical decisions. 3. Mindfulness of mortality. Remind yourself that life is fleeting. This awareness, known as memento mori, helps you cherish the present moment and prioritize what truly matters. Control your mind and your world becomes manageable. By mastering your thoughts, you can create a sense of inner peace that remains unshaken by external events. How can you use Stoicism today? Incorporating Stoic practices into your daily routine can be simple yet transformative. Start your day with a moment of reflection. Ask yourself, what is in my control today? This question sets a positive tone for the day and helps you focus on what truly matters. Practice gratitude for what you have, acknowledging the abundance in your life instead of dwelling on what's missing. Gratitude shifts your perspective and fosters a sense of contentment. Journal your thoughts to gain clarity and keep emotions in check. Writing down your thoughts can help you process your emotions and gain insights into your own mind. Simple actions can lead to profound peace by consistently practicing these small habits. Remember, Stoicism isn't about suppressing emotions or living without joy. It's about finding peace amidst life's storms by focusing on what truly matters. Start your journey today and discover the calm within the chaos. Embrace the principles of Stoicism and see how they can transform your life. Subscribe to the Stoic Path for more wisdom. Join our community of like-minded individuals. Together, let's find peace in chaos. Let's embark on this journey towards a more serene and fulfilling life.